Well, this is the repair of the Brooks B67 saddle. And I have to tell you, having read a number of things on the internet, this turned out to be child's play. So let me show you where we're at so far. So you see the nut and bolt is in the bracket and in the front of the seat. I haven't tightened it yet, but I got it where it had to be. And what I did was, having read some things on the internet, I happened to get a screwdriver, and I'll try to demonstrate it. And I got it on top of the bolt when it was out, and then I went like this, and I was able to leverage it in through the front nose bracket. And the other thing I did, having read the internet, I used a smaller bolt. The larger bolt would go out further. I don't know what that's going to do when I get the actual Brooks. We'll see what happens. And now I can tighten the bolt because I'm going to use my Park tool Allen wrench to hold it, and I'm going to use a wrench to tighten it, to tension it, and we'll see how that goes, and that's what I'll follow up with next.